Hello, and welcome to Force Tutorials. In this video, I will show you how you can use hashtag finders and favorite hashtag. To use the hashtag finder, just go to the sidebar on the left side and click on Hashtags Finder. Now here we need to enter our related hashtag and then choose number of videos to analyze, and now here we have two ways to get hashtags. Through this option, you get the AI generate hashtags. And when you press this go button, the Tuberank Jeet has gone through the top videos and found suggested hashtag related to the hashtag that we have provided. So, here we have now technology, techno, tech house, techie, technique, and etc. Now let's scroll down and you will see other hashtags that were used in videos using that hashtag. So, this will help to inspire us in choosing hashtags for our own video. If we right-click on any of these hashtags, we have the option to copy to a clipboard, get similar hashtags from AI like this. Search more for this keyword, or add to a group. If we want to add to a group, we'll go to this tab here called Favorite Hashtags, and we'll create a new group. So, let's call this Tech and click Add button. Now we'll go back to our hashtag finder and let's choose a hashtag here, and let's add it to group, and now we can add this to our tech group, and I am adding a couple of more hashtags. So, now that we've added a few of these hashtags to our group, we can go back to favorite hashtags and open tech group, and we can see all the hashtags that we have added to this group. Now, if you think that one of the hashtags really stands out, what you can do is right-click on that, and we can search for this hashtag, and this will generate a new list of hashtags related to this one, and we can refine our hashtags. You can also add favorite hashtags manually, so if you're inspired by an idea, you can just type your own hashtag, and you can add that manually to the list here as well. So, when we're done by adding the best hashtags in the favorite group, then you can add these hashtags in the end of the video description of the optimization panel by just clicking on that hashtag like this, and this will add each selected hashtags in a new line of video description. That's just an easy way of finding popular, successful hashtags and then using that information with our own video optimization. I hope you found this useful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.